everybody, it's me, Adriana. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna be putting on makeup today. Look at this bottle. First, I like to start by putting just a smelly, nasty vinegar. Start off by putting on a nice clean pad. Be careful when putting on this vinegar because it will stink up your face and your house for a few hours. I begin by tapping it in and working it in my face and scrubbing it in there. And just rubbing it and getting it real deep in your skin. You want to work all the areas carefully, evening the skin lines, getting all those wrinkles and everything. Yeah, it hurts, but that's the price of beauty. Now you flap your wings, and look, you look pretty. Next, what you want to do afterwards is slide up a joint, release some of that tension from all that smell. You just want to get a little bit high. You don't want to get too high. It's never a good idea to make videos too high. Anyways, never mind the Christmas lights in the back. Después a fumar este cigarrón de mota. Come here, vitamin C. I usually like to put this after I get the vitamin D. Choco. I'm gonna start off by putting a few drops on your face. Actually, a lot of drops. You want to get that everywhere. And then mix it around with your fingers. Make sure your hands are clean when you're doing this. This is how I get ready before the club. I scrub all over my face. Alright? And then I look at myself. And then I feel myself. And I'm really feeling myself. Hot. Next, I have this hairbrush for my brow. It's called a brow brush. What it does, it straightens out my brows that are otherwise crooked. So what I do is I start by going from right to left. Next, I have this pen that I use to tag up my eyebrows in natural chola fashion. You see, you want to really arch the eyebrows. That's very important. You want to make it look like you're always suspicious, trying to figure out people's motives. What they don't want you to know. Alright? Whatevs. I don't care. Yes, so now I'm going to be applying a bunch of paint on my face. So I went to Home Depot and got the most expensive paint I could find. This is called khaki. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rub it on my face. Like an Aztec warrior. Now this is my favorite piece of makeup. Why? Because it's going to change my skin tone. And you're going to notice my face and my freckles will start to blend with the contour, adding a nice tone. Now I'm going to apply my concealer here, there. Putting that shit here, boy. Foundation. So you see it's not fake. Like that shit half you bitches be putting on. Now what this is going to do, it's going to eliminate my freckles completely. With this brush from Sephora. And I'm going to complement it with the Sephora brush. Right, now this brush is going to blend in my whole face together. First I'm going to start off by working with my 5-head. But I had to use a big brush. Next I'm going to work it down my cheeks. What it's going to do, it's going to get rid of my pimples, my freckles, my blackheads. And you see how my freckles and my pimples are starting to fade away. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start blending. And now, bam, satisfied. Moving on to our next segment, we now proceed to open up this box with multiple colors by Jacqueline Hill. Very beautiful accessory, whoever she is. I don't know her, but she's a great woman. Now we have more variety. We have more colors here compared to the other less colors that we see here. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is grab this makeup and put it around my eye area. Brush, 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 brush. And you see my eyes clearly turning into a different color. Turning into a black eye right now. You see? So now I'm just going to shade it a little bit. What this is going to do, it's going to make my eyes pop and stand out. It's going to make my eye contact a lot more appealing. I like to have a little good mixture. Diversity adds goodness. I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with a different color. Because you just can't have one color. You can't be simple. You have to be extra. Ooh, let me pretend I'm listening to some music. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply a third color on here to blend it in and make it stand more. Now, another one. You thought it was over, huh? No. Bam, yep. We're going for that one. So, as you can see, I have 4 different shades of color on top of my eyelids. Yeah, we're still not done. 5 different colors. Let's see how many colors we could go for. This one is going to be under the eyelid. Yeah. No, it looks like I have pink eye. Yeah. Putting on your makeup is all about having a good time. You know, you have to have fun with it, you know. You have to make it a very enjoyable process because it's what puts the icing on the cake when you're going out. Blend it in with this color, which is like a peach. Slap it around a bit, show who's boss, and put it on your face. Alright, now we're gonna do a little close-up. And bam, you see that? You see that from across the club. Alright, back to business. Now what I'm gonna do, use this device to make my eyelashes stand out. Kind of like gel for your eyelashes. Now you peel them back. So it makes my eyes stand out as if they don't stand out enough already. Ooh.
And voila, there's one.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other one. And you see now with the close-up how my eyelashes went from looking down to standing up. So I like to complement everything by throwing on some eyeliner
to add wings to my eyelashes.
This eyeliner, I always recommend you take your time putting on your eyeliner. Do it as slow as possible because this is what ties everything together. You know what I'm saying? Flash. Oh, hey girl. Ooh, wink. Huh? Ooh. Now I'm putting on mascara. As if I wasn't done with my eyes yet. There's still more work to be done. I'm putting mascara all around the top and the bottom.
And I'm gonna peel them back. And then peel them down.
Putting this bad boy away.
And onto our blush. I'm gonna be using this blush to blush. Alright. I like to start off by putting 2 fingers on my cheeks. That way I can evenly line up my cheeks.
This, I don't know what this quite is. But I'm just gonna brush just a little bit on the sides. Just to make sure, you know, it's there. I think it's supposed to make my skin shine just a little brighter. I think it might be a little bit of glitter.
It's called a highlighter.
So yeah, so I'm getting word that it's called a highlighter. And ooh, look at me. 2 thumbs up. Hey, so now I'm gonna be putting on this little chola makeup. Look at me getting ready for clown college. I'm actually not getting ready to go to the club. I'm actually getting ready to go to my job, which is being a clown. And now I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying the rest of this lipstick. MAC, of course. You know your girl had to do it big. Name brands or no brands, I only fucks with, you know. Now we fill it all in right here, and voila. And that's it. Now I'm gonna throw on some of my favorite spray, Mario Badescu. You spray it on your face, you get a nice aroma of lavender, a bunch of fresh herbal essences, and it just, you know, rehydrates and revitalizes your skin. I highly recommend that for the girls out there, you know. You didn't think I'd do all this work without flexing, did you? Flex time. Voila. This is my private school uniform, straight out of Young Sluts High. You feel me? Whatevs, don't care. Best life or no life.
See you next time. Thank you for joining. I'm Adriana. Like, comment, subscribe. I need friends. I need to pay the bills. Slap the air real quick. Tell me what you think about me. Tell your friends. Tell your side niggas. Holla at me.
Alright, I'll catch you folks later.
Kitty out.
Ciao, ciao. Toodles, peace, and fuck out of here.